Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. Today I will be doing some more cooking. I will be making chili con carne today. Stay tuned, get ready, sit down, relax and enjoy the show. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Also follow me on my Instagram, which is again also MosToosifar. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and let's get the video started. Okay, let's get started. Guess what I've got? What we do is turn on the pan or turn the cooker on. Get our onions, chuck it in there. I've already chopped up the onions, so I didn't want to show you guys me crying over chopping these. It's just a small onion that I've done. Right, of course, don't forget olive oil. Olive oil is the key, guys. You have no idea. Put some more in. I'm gonna put some meat in there. Yeah. Right. Let that cook up a little bit. Let it do its thing, and then we'll add the meat in a few moments. Make sure, guys. I hope you've already subscribed to my channel. Let's go. So, here we have our onions getting fried, getting ready. Slowly, gradually changing colour, getting golden, moving on to brownish. That will happen in the process, not to worry. What I'm going to do now is I'll get a kilo. What is it? A kilo of meat, beef to be precise. Goes in there. Don't need that anymore. Alright, what you want to do, get some salt on there. Okay. What you want to do, get some pepper. I have to. Saffron. It's not an option. It's a must. Get the saffron in there. Get a bit of turmeric in there, just to give it the extra colour. That's it. Okay. And then pattern it out. Yeah. As some of these rude boys. Can you pattern this out for me? So we're gonna pattern out our meat. Right. Stir it up. Mix it. This is all gonna look nice and lovely in a bit. Just give it a stir. Let all the tastes and everything go together, go well, and then we'll put a lid back on, let it cook gradually. Take your time with it. This will take about half an hour-ish, 20 minutes to half an hour to cook. Once this is done, I'm going to move over to the rice, get that cooking, and hopefully we'll have it all ready more or less the same time. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to close the lid, put the lid back on, come check up again in about 5 minutes, see how it's doing, stir up a bit more, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Okay, it's been a few minutes now. I've got my rice. Let me quickly show you before I even turn it on. It's rice and water. What I've done is rinsed it a few times. There's 3 cups of rice in there, by the way. 3 cups of rice, washed it a few times, got rid of the starch as much as I could anyway. So let's see how this is doing. Right, it's starting to come along. It's starting to come along well. It's quite a simple dish. Not a lot of effort goes into it, if you like. Apart from the chopping the onions and crying at the very beginning of making the food, which kind of makes you regret it. But anywho, no pain, no gain, right? So, right, we're gonna let that cook for a bit longer. Leave that as it is. I'm gonna turn on the rice. Let this cook up as well. Put some salt in there, put some oil in there. Leave that for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That should be ready. What I've got here is some chili con carne. It's just some powder in there, flavoring. Gonna open it, put it all in there. Quite simple, really. Can you see that? I don't know. Can you see that? Does that look good? It gives its own seasoning and whatever. Done. Oh, that's quite strong. Give that a little stir. See the change of colour? I don't know, because does the camera tell? I hope it does. You see it, it's changing colour a little bit. Not a little bit. Break up the pieces, break up the pieces. Okay, now also what I've got is, these are chopped tomatoes, or chopped tomatoes. I do have another one, but I don't know if I should put the other one in as well. So let me just do a quick stir, see what we're looking at, how we, you know, what we're dealing with. I think the one is enough. Possibly, because I've also got some red kidney beans gonna go added to that as well, so I think we're gonna be good. I'm not gonna put a second one in. One is enough. I'm gonna let that cook a bit, turn it down a tiny bit. That's that. Put the lid back on. Basically, the red kidney beans, I'm gonna add it 5 minutes before this is ready. Our rice is cooking up, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, you can't see. It's getting there. So give it another 10 minutes, 5 minutes. We'll come back, check up on it, see how things are doing. Make sure nothing's burning. Yeah. Right guys, let's have a look at what we're dealing with. That's hot, gotta be careful. Yeah, see, you need to give it a stir every now and then so it doesn't stick to the pan. And there goes our rice. Yeah. Things are looking good. So, I'm not going to put the kidney beans in just yet. I'm going to let it cook a bit more. I'll put it in a few more minutes. Just thought I'll show you an update of what we're looking at, what we're dealing with, what we've got on our hands, what the situation is. Yeah, that's bubbling up nicely. That means it's getting ready. Okay. Just put this back on. Right, what I'm going to do now is add the red kidney beans in there. Our rice is nearly enough ready. I mean, this is almost ready anyway, so really what you want to do, I'll take them out of the can, give it a rinse, and just pour it in there. Once you've done that, what you want to do is gently give it a mix. Let it all, you know, go everywhere. Divide them all up. Split them up. Pattern it out, if you will. And let it, you know, let it cook for another 5 minutes. this will be ready, and then we're just going to wait on our rice. Our rice is actually almost ready as well, to be honest, so not long left. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to put the lid back on here. Our rice is getting ready, almost. Give it another 3-4 minutes, it'll be ready, and then we're gonna have some food. Okay guys, so I've just turned this off. This is ready. Turn this off. What I'm gonna do, get one of these. Oh, you can't see it. Get one of these. Open that. Be careful with the steam. It's really well hot. What I'm gonna do is give it a quick stir. That smells nice, guys. That smells yummy. Just the rice alone. I love the smell of rice. It's nice if you like your rice. Okay, so here we go. You get a bit of this, you get a bit of that, you get a bit of this, you get a bit of that. Can you see that, guys? Is everything in the camera? I don't know. I'm just concentrating on this, make sure I'm not trying to burn. Yeah. What you want to do is pattern it out. What I'm going to do now, this is getting hot in my hand. Oof. There's that. The smell, guys, the perfume of all the smells and the food. You guys need to try this out. You guys definitely need to try this out. I'm just going to put a little bit in on the side. And then I'm just going to put the spoon there. Make sure I don't burn. Voila, guys. Fresh out. There is your chili con carne. What I ideally would do is get some yogurt and enjoy. Bon appetit, guys. See you soon.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come